Hey there, friends. Ever been in a situation where your buddy sends you a location on Telegram and you're like, cool, now what? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In just 3 minutes, you'll be a pro at navigating to your friend's place using Telegram's shared location. Let's dive in. First up, here's what the shared location pin looks like in Telegram. You can spot it in your chat, just a pin with the address or coordinates. Pretty simple, right? Now here's the magic. Step 1. Tap the location pin. This opens up the map within Telegram. See? You've got the location right there. But how do we actually get there? Step 2. Look for this button, Directions. Tap on it, and Telegram will ask if you want to open it in a navigation app like Google Maps or Apple Maps. Choose your favorite. I'm a Google Maps fan myself. Step 3. Boom. Google Maps opens, and it's already set to navigate to your friend's house. Hit Start and let the GPS guide you there. Easy peasy. And that's it. Just follow the route, whether you're driving, walking, or biking. No more calling your friend a dozen times to ask, am I close? Of course I did. It's 2025. Telegram's maps equals no excuses. So there you have it. Reaching your friend's house using Telegram's shared location is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life hacks. Until next time, happy navigating.